Hello student, how are you? Dear student, our chapter is structure of atom, and this structure of atom we discuss some little points to in previous chapter, and in previous video we discuss the subatomic particles, electron, proton, neutron, discovery, the person who invent, process, everything. And today we discuss some another points related to structure of atom or atom according to atom. So the electrons under acceleration according to electromagnetic theory of Maxwell, a charged particles undergoing acceleration should emit electromagnetic radiation. Thus, an electrons in an orbit should emit radiation. So, thus the orbit should sink, but this does not happen. So, the model does not give any information about how electrons are redistribute around nucleus and what are energies of these electrons. And second thing, isotopes. Next point, isotopes and isobar. So according to the definition of isotopes and isobars, if any types of elements, the atomic number are similar but the atomic masses are differ, so this is called isotopes. And isobar, if any types of elements, the atomic masses are similar but the number are differ, that means they called atomic number. And the example of isotope and isobar here, hydrogen, there are three types of isobar isotopes: proterium, deuterium, tritium. And in isobar, argon and calcium. So argon and calcium, the atomic number are 18 and 20 and the masses value are 40. And hydrogen, there are three types of isotope: proterium, deuterium and tritium. The atomic number are similar, 111, and the masses value are 1, 2 and 3. So this is the definition of isotope and isobar, and also the examples. And next thing, isoelectronic species. So these are the those species which have the same numbers of electron, that means, suppose if any types of elements they donate or accept, so after donating and receiving they are represent with the help of charge, that means ions. So suppose ions and the numbers of electron, in this case ions case, so both are similar or equal, so this is called isoelectronic. For example, the total number of electron of sodium elements is 11 and chlorine atom is 17, or magnesium atom are 12. So in this case, suppose the sodium are donate the one numbers of electron and convert atom to ions, so the atomic number of sodium ion is 10. And same as usual, this is the atomic number of argon. So these two types of elements are the example of isoelectronic species: sodium ions and argon. Suppose chlorine. So the chlorine, when they receive one numbers of electron, is fulfill the outermost shell. In this case, the total numbers of sodium chlorine ions is 18, and argon also the atomic number is 18. So both elements the atomic number are similar, so this is called a example of isoelectronic species. Next are magnetic radiation. So the radiation which are associated with electrical and magnetic field are called electromagnetic radiation. So when electrically charged particles moves under acceleration, and alternating electrical and magnetic field are produced and transmitted. So these fields are arranged in forms of wave. So these wave are called electromagnetic wave or electromagnetic radiation. And next thing, the properties. So especially the properties of electromagnetic radiation. So oscillation, electric and magnetic field are produced by oscillating charge particles. These fields are perpendicular to each other and both are perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave, and they do not need a medium to travel. So that means they can even travel in vacuum. And next point, characteristics of electromagnetic radiation. So the number one, wavelength. So wavelength means it may be defined as the distance between two neighboring curves or thought of wave as shown. It is, and also it's a donated by A. Number two, frequency. So frequency, it may be defined as the number of wave which pass through a particular point in 1 second. That means in the particular times they cover the area. So this is called frequency. And next are velocity. It is defined as the distance traveled by a wave in 1 second. In vacuum, all types of electromagnetic radiation travel with the same velocity, and its value is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and it is donated by V. And the next point, wave number. So wave number is defined as the number of wavelength per unit length. And next thing, velocity. So velocity are equal to frequency into wavelength, means C equal V into lambda. So this is the characteristics of electromagnetic radiation. And the next topic, next point, Planck quantum theory. So the Planck quantum theory, the radiant energy is emitted or absorbed not continuously but discontinuously in the form of small discrete packets of energy called quantum. In case of light, the quantum of energy is called a photon. Number two, the energy of each quantum is directly proportional to the frequency of radiation. That means E is directly proportional to nu, or E equal h nu. H is a Planck constant, and the value of Planck constant is 6.626 into 10 power minus 27 joule per second. And energy is always emitted or absorbed as internal multiple of this quantum, means E equal h n h nu, where n equal numbers, means how many numbers of the value. So this is the Planck quantum theory. And dear student, next video we discuss some other points to this topic. Okay, thank you.